Production demands precision, and at CJWinter, we've built a world-renowned reputation for getting thread rolling right. CJWinter offers thread rolls for a wide range of thread rolling machines and attachments, including radial, tangential, and end rolling systems for CJWinter attachments, as well as equipment from other manufacturers. This flexibility allows you to benefit from CJWinter's precision manufacturing and support without changing your existing setup. Our product line also includes replacement dies for large-scale cylindrical thread rolling machines. CJWinter manufactures annular and helical dies in multiple styles and finishes, including infeed plunge dies, reversible dies, and through-feed options. In addition, we offer specialty material selections to deliver optimal design performance for your specific application. Every CJWinter thread roll is proudly made in the USA, with both standard and custom sizes available. Learn more at cjwinter.com.